Most parts of North Goa and South Goa districts experienced thunderstorms today, light to moderate thunderstorms. Thunderstorms means the rainfall which is associated or accompanied with thunder and lightning, and sometimes gusty wind also. Actually, this is a common feature at this time of the year, like in the last weeks of September or early weeks of October. There is a lot of heating that is taking place because the monsoon will be slowly weakening. So because of increased heat and the current, like the wind currents in different levels of atmosphere, are bringing a lot of moisture. So because of this heat and this moisture, these convective systems are getting developed, and they are always associated with thunder and lightning. These conditions are going to continue for maybe 3 to 4 more days because the heating is taking place in the daytime, and this wind currents at different levels are bringing moisture. So